How to make a Paracord watch strap or Paracord watch band with the Microcord stitching. Enjoy and have fun! Hello my friends, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. Today we're going to create the Paracord watch band or a watch strap. We're going to use the black Paracord 550 and the gold Microcord. Also we're going to need the watch and the buckle as well as a Paracord JIG. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner in the information cards of this video, also down below in the description box. On the end of this video, if you like it, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, let's start. So now we're gonna take our watch and we're gonna insert our black paracord into our watch adapters. So take the ends of a paracord, pull all the way through and find the center or a bite like I did here. If you wanna purchase adapters like I have here, the link where to acquire it or purchase them you have down below in the description box of this video. So take the bite, insert it into the adapter from the top. And we're gonna create the cow hitch. Pull it tight, secure it, and do the same on the other side. So once more, take the ends of a black paracord, pull them together, find the center, and then insert it from the top into the watch. Pull those two cords from the top into the loop, and you created your cow hitch. Now we're gonna take the Paracord JIG and we're gonna take one end of a cord, so from the top through the buckle, and on the other side as well. And now here find the center, so your watch needs to be right in the center between those two buckles or ends of a buckle. So here it is approximately, I think this will be the center. Okay, now I'm gonna take my index finger, secure the end of a cord, the back end of a cord here. Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see, like so. And now we're gonna make a space between these two cords and we're gonna pull the back cords through the gap or through the middle, like so. And now we're gonna make it one side to the left, one side to the other, to the right, and then from the back through the buckle and through the loop. And do the same on the left side. So now when you secure it one side, we're gonna pass on the other and we're gonna return to continue with our knots. So when we secured our ends, we're gonna start with our weave. So take the one strand and make it from the top into the adapter and through. Do the same with the left one. And now from here we're gonna take our right strand and make it around this strand here and from the top into the middle between the center cords, like so. We're gonna do the same with the left one. So around this first cord and from the top into the middle and to the side, and pull it well, cinch it, secure it, and proceed. So again, the right strand from the top into the middle, the left one also from the top into the middle, and repeat. So as you can see here, we finished our fishtail weaves, and one end of a watch strap is done by micro stitching or stitching microcord, as you wish. Now we're gonna do this side here, so we're gonna take our microcord and a fid, and from the back side we're gonna count 3 weaves here, and we're gonna go under those 3 weaves, like so. This way we're gonna secure and also hide our microcord. I think I pull it too much. I'm gonna repeat. Just as the microcord passes under. Okay, this enough. Now we're gonna make it around, and from the back into this gap here, so pull it through, and here we are. Pull all the way, and now from here we're gonna start with our stitching. I'm gonna zoom more so you can clearly see, and we're gonna proceed. So when we pull our microcord like this, we're gonna count 1, 2, and we're gonna go under this second weave here, so under the 2, and we're gonna pass on top of the first weave, pull the microcord, and as you can see, we're gonna cross it now to the other side, and also we're gonna count 1 and 2, and we're gonna go under the second weave, and we're gonna end it on top of the first weave, as you can see. Take the fid pull the microcord through the center and then tie it like this. And now we're gonna cross it again to the side, and we're gonna count from this part here where our microcord exits. We're gonna count 1 and 2, and we're gonna go under the second one, and then we're gonna exit on top of the first one, as you can see. So this way we continue our microcord stitching. And take the feed, pull the microcord through the center of a strap or a bracelet, as you wish, and repeat. Again, cross it, 1, 2, under the 2. Sorry about the noise this buckle makes. So here we are, now we reach almost the end of this middle or center piece stitch. So now we're gonna go under this last weave. This is the cow's hitches, so under this one, and pass it on top, and from the top we're gonna return and go under the last cow's hitches. So through, from the back through, and then around, and from the top into the center, as you can see, like this. Pull a bit this end to the center and this side as well. And now we're gonna go from the top through the middle, like so. And from here we're gonna exit in this loop here, so from the back through, and we passed our microcord to the side, like so. Now from here we're gonna pass it through this end here. So we pulled our microcord to the side. Now we're gonna do the stitching. We're gonna make it on top and then around and through. Pull it, secure it well, and proceed. So from the back we're gonna insert it under this one here, and through, pull it to make it tight, as you can see, and proceed. So around, on top, and then under this one here, And now from here we're gonna just rearrange these strands here, and then we're gonna pass it to the opposite side. So pull the cords through the cow's hitches. And from here we're gonna insert it through the middle of these cow's hitches, like so, and then we're gonna pass it under the free weaves as we did on the beginning, so we can hide it and secure it. So here we are, we reached the end of today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye.